Welcome back to EsmeraleesCreations. Today we have for you the January 2023 Bargain Bead Box. I know we're a little behind, but we're doing our best to catch up. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. The January 2023 Bargain Bead Box description reads as follows. Inspired by the starry winter nights, this eclectic palette mixes a variety of blues with the subtle glow of labradorite, electroplated agate, check glass stars, crystal accents, and bold glass barrel beads combined with a set of high-quality stainless steel and pewter findings in classic celestial shapes to complete the collection.
Hi guys, and as you can see, this one have a variety of blues and they're very nice. And the metals are silver, and we're gonna start with number 1, and it is
Number 1 is a meter of 3mm steel Rollo jewelry chain.
And like always, it's a good amount. And it is beautiful. It's like a medium size. Very nice. I like the link. It's very pretty. And number 2 is?
Number 2, 47.5mm star bead caps. Lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free.
And this is like a small size. Well, more like a medium. But it's beautiful. The details are very, very nice. Very pretty details. Beautiful. And number 3 is?
Number 3, two 23mm stainless steel moon phase cutout coin pendants.
Oh, they're beautiful. The cutouts are like very nice. They're plain on both sides. Like very plain, no carve except for the cutouts. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty.
And those are made of hypoallergenic stainless steel.
And number 4 is?
Number 4, 5 11.5mm starburst pattern glass cylinder beads.
Beautiful. Look at the details. The stars are amazing. The inside of the barrels are beautiful too. And it turns color when it moves, when you turn it. It's very, very nice. And they're light, they're not heavy. Very nice. Number 5 is?
Number 5, 10 15.5 by 20mm round with moon and star links, lead free and nickel free.
Nice.
Sorry, cadmium free.
They're very nice. These you can use for bracelet. You can just put a bracelet. You can do it with cords or beads. Very, very nice. Or you can use it for necklace too. Like a simple necklace. You can do like a cord necklace too. It's very, very nice. I will not use it for earrings. Well, you can use it for earrings if you hand them this way. Like hand them this way. Very nice. And number 6 is?
Number 6, 10 8mm frosted pressed glass star beads, crystal.
Nice. Very pretty. Look at that. Yeah, they change colors too when you turn them. And they're very, very pretty. Very, very nice. And number 7 is?
3 sets of 18 by 25mm rounded square toggle clasps. Those are lead free, nickel free, and cadmium free.
Very pretty. Very pretty. I love square things, so this is one of my favorite clasps. This is very nice. Very simple, but very delicate. It's very pretty. And the shape of the end part is super nice. Super nice, super nice. And number 8 is?
Number 8, an approximate 10-inch strand of 6mm English cut crystal beads, steel blue.
Wow. Look at how shiny it is. It is very, very shiny and very pretty. This we can use for a simple bracelet or add-on for the necklace. It's very nice, very pretty. Number 9 is?
Number 9, 10-piece strand of 10mm moonstone glass round beads, soft blue.
Wow. Look at that. The lighter color on one side, deeper color on the other side, if you can see. And transparent and sunspot. So it's very pretty. Very, very nice. And number 10 is?
Number 10, a 10-gram bag of 5mm star spacer beads. Those are lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free.
Look, they're so pretty. Very, very nice. These can be like spacers in between these stars, and you can put in like little bits in between, and you can make a very nice necklace or bracelet. Super cute. Number 11 is?
4 12mm stainless steel crescent moon cutout round links. Those are made of hypoallergenic stainless steel as well.
Look at that. They're flat, like this ones over here, that they only have the cutout. These only have the cutout, and the holes are very tiny, very tiny. So you can use these ones for anything that you want. It is very pretty. And number 12 is?
Number 12, an approximate 7.5-inch strand of 8mm druzy agate electroplated round beads.
Nice. That royal blue. Actually, it's like a marine blue, like a navy blue. It is so pretty. And look at the detail that bead have. It is beautiful. It have like crystals inside. Right here. It's so pretty. Beautiful, beautiful. Love them. Number 13 is?
Number 13, an approximate 8-inch strand of 8x6mm crystal rondelle beads, deep blue mix.
Yeah, this is a mix of blue. It have different ones, and they also have green. These ones over here are green, and they are very pretty. Very, very pretty. Very shiny too. They are amazing. And number 14 is?
Number 14, a 38x30mm antique silver brass crescent pendant with labradorite oval.
Nice. Look at that. That is beautiful. This is like a grayish color, and it's so pretty. It is beautiful. Love it. This is how it is in the back. Very pretty and very sturdy, but it's light. It's very light. It's not heavy. And number 15 is?
Number 15, a 22mm curved forest moon link, pewter plated with tied fine silver.
Wow, look at that. It's so pretty. It have a texture in the back, and it had texture in the front. And it's like a 3D texture. It's so pretty. Very nice, very nice. Can't wait to create with it. And number 16 is?
Number 16, an approximate 7.5-inch strand of 4mm labradorite faceted round beads.
Yeah, they are the same color as this ones over here. It is so pretty. You can incorporate this in the necklace that you're gonna put this one, and it's gonna be beautiful. And number 17 is?
Number 17 is an approximate 5-inch strand of labradorite large chip beads.
Wow, look at this chip beads. When you turn them, it have blue on it. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but they are stunning, beautiful. It is so pretty, very pretty. And it can go with this ones too. Like, oh my God, it's gonna be beautiful. And number 18 is?
Number 18, 20 6mm check pressed glass star beads, crystal steel blue luster.
Wow, they're very tiny, very tiny. And they're like translucent, you can see through it, but it's so pretty. And it's between like blue and gray. It is beautiful, very pretty.
And this was everything in the January 2023 Bargain Bead Box. If you like this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up. It helps us out a lot. And click that notification bell to be notified every time we post a new video. Because this video is being uploaded in May, we want to wish all the moms and all the dads who have to be moms as well a happy Mother's Day. We want to take this time to send a shout out to Ana Sofia. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave comments, stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time. Bye.